we are going to do the bleaching of cotton material by using hydrogen peroxide. So we have to take hydrogen peroxide along with sodium silicate and sodium hydroxide. So during bleaching, the nascent oxygen present in the hydrogen peroxide will be responsible for bleaching the cellulose of the cotton material. The initial weight of the cotton material is found as 4.86 gram. So the initial weight of the cotton material is found as 4.86 grams. So we have to take hydrogen peroxide of 7 ml and sodium silicate of 2% on weight of material, that is 0.097 grams, and sodium hydroxide of 1% on weight of material, that is 0.0486 grams, and ml ratio of 1:20 is to be taken. So ml ratio of 97 ml has to be taken, and the temperature maintained during bleaching is boiling temperature of 100 degrees Celsius, and the time duration for bleaching can be from 60 to 90 minutes. So for bleaching, 97 ml of water has to be taken. Seven ml of hydrogen peroxide solution has to be added to the bleaching bath. 0.09 grams of sodium silicate has to be taken. So 0.04 grams of sodium hydroxide has to be taken. Sodium hydroxide has been added to the bleaching bath, and then sodium silicate has to be added. So now the cotton material has to be subjected into the bleaching bath. So the bleaching should be carried for 60 to 90 minutes. So the temperature of the bleaching of the hydrogen peroxide solution to be maintained at 100 degrees Celsius. So after bleaching, the bleached cotton material has been subjected to hot wash with hot water, and then subjected to cold wash. So after bleaching, the sample has to be dried in a hot air dryer. So after drying, the final weight of the cotton material is found as 4.74 grams. So the percentage of weight loss after bleaching is found as 2.4%.